As you may know, every open port is a potential vector of attack in a red teaming environment. The USBKill V4 is the new iteration of the USB killer by USBKill.com, and it lets you zap a port using a power surge attack. Pretty much, the electricity that is stored inside the USB killer will be directed to the data lines of the host and damage everything on its way. In today's pentestips, we'll check how to USB kill. First of all, we might want to test our tools before performing a USB power surge attack, and to test the USB killer without damaging the host, we need a USB kill shield. The USB kill shield displays a light when electricity is present and is shielding the host to prevent a power surge attack. You need to plug the USB killer in the USB shield and the shield in the port. If there is a light, we're in business. To perform the power surge attack, we just need to remove the shield. With up to 14 adapters, an internal battery, and the ability to be triggered remotely, the USB killer is a must-have for Red Teamer. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.